Hey everybody, it's your graduate assistant from EDD 701. Let's take a moment and go through a problem involving the probability, normal curve, and absolute value. These signs right here, in case you didn't know, those vertical lines, that means absolute value. So this problem right here is asking you what the probability of y minus m sub y, or the mean, is the absolute value going to be greater than 4. Now the easiest way to do this is to draw a picture. What this is asking you is, okay, our mean is 20, so this right here is 20, 16, 24. This problem is asking you what the probability is that this number is going to be greater than 4. But remember, you have the absolute value here. So this is going to ask you about this area. That area right there. This area right there. So greater than 4 away, then the mean. So your mean is right here. 4 away, greater. 4 away, greater with the absolute value. So that's what this problem is asking. So we've got to figure out the z-values to give you this area and this area. And let's see, the way that we do that is, remember your z formula is your value minus your mean over your standard deviation. So I'm looking at 16 minus 20 over 4 because this greater than sign is telling you with the absolute value 20, 16. So this is going to equal negative 4 over 4, which equals 1. If you look up, negative 1. If you look up the z-value of negative 1, it is 0.1587. Okay, so the z-value of negative 1 is 0.1587. So this is telling me that this area, from here down, is an area of 0.1587. Now, to do it the other way, you've got 24 minus 20 over 4 gives you 4 over 4 gives you 1. The z of 1, let's see, the z of 1 equals 0.8413. So this is telling you that the overall value right here is 0.8413. Now this is kind of neat because if you take 0.8413, add it to 0.1587, that gives you 1 right here. So the easiest way to do this is, since it's equal 0.1587, you can go 0.1587 plus 0.1587, and that will give you 0.3174. Do this because these areas are equal. The z-value 0.1587 that way, it's going to be the same 0.1587 that way. And if you're not sure, you can do the 1 minus 0.8413, 8413, that'll give you 0.1587. So your answer for this one is going to be 0.3174, looking at the absolute value of that.